Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today, how is your day going, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are seeing our video from. In today's video, I will be showing you a nice and delicious recipe. Today in here is our okra. I'll be showing you how to make this delicious okra soup mixed with egusi, guys. It always come out so well and so delicious. Stay tuned, let's watch this video to the end. Let's get started, guys. So guys, I will be taking you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe, guys. In here is my already chopped okra. If you like, you can cut your own into big size. I know I love cutting my okra to this size. In here is my blended crayfish with my seasoned cube, and here is my salt to taste, guys. I'm using a mercury fish for this recipe. You can use any protein of your choice, guys. Here is my stock fish. It has been soaked for over 1 hour. The reason I soak it is it will help it to cook fast. That is the way my mommy taught me to do it. And here is my blended melon, egusi. In here is my palm oil, because this is a local recipe we are cooking, guys. And here is my ugu leaf. You can use uziza leaf for this recipe, or you use bitter leaf. It just depends on your own preference, the one you love to use. I normally love to use ugu for this okra recipe combined with egusi. So guys, let's get started with our cooking of our fish. In here is our pot. Already set it on fire. We'll be adding in our washed fish. With my washed stock fish, guys. Then add in my salt, guys. Add in my seasoning cube, guys. Then you add in water to use to cook the fish. So guys, we have to cook this fish for like 5 minutes. The reason I'll be cooking it for 5 minutes is because of the stock fish I add in. If not, I will just boil the fish for like 2 minutes, so that it will help me not it will make my fish not to scatter. So guys, I'm done boiling the fish. Now it's time for another step. You have to wait for water that is inside the pot to dry. Make sure to stay tuned and follow this recipe. You will get your perfect and delicious okra soup with egusi, guys. So in here we'll be adding in our oil, guys. We are not going to bleach the oil, guys. Sorry. Oh yeah, go and play. So I will be adding in my egusi. I have to fry it so that I will get what I want. So guys, after adding it, you have to cover your pot for some minutes. Yes. And you open it again, guys. Turn it. This method will give delicious taste that you want, guys. It will bring out the taste and the very perfect and sweet taste for your egusi with okra soup. Make sure to try this recipe, because I know some people don't know that you can combine your egusi and the okra soup together. Continue to fry it. For like 2 to 3 minutes, guys, so that you will get that perfect and lovely style that you want. So guys, you continue to stir it. Immediately you notice that the color of your egusi has changed. You can see it, guys. Then it's time to add in your stockfish. This is your stockfish, guys. You can see that you add in your stockfish. Then you have to cover it and cook it for like 10 minutes, guys, before we proceed to another step. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. So guys, it's now 10 minutes later. Let's check our soup. You can see it. The outcome is so lovely. The smell that I'm perceiving is so delicious, guys. So now it's time to add in our stockfish. I'll be adding in my grounded pepper now, because if to say I use the fresh pepper, I will fry it with my oil before I put in my egusi, but I do not have that fresh pepper, so I'm using in my grounded pepper, guys. So you have to mix it together. While cooking your soup, you have to check if salt and everything is okay. We cover for 2 minutes, then we'll get back. After some minutes, we'll be adding in our seasoned cube, our blended crayfish, guys. I already checked my salt, so the soup needs a little more salt again. I'll be adding in my salt, guys. After that, you have to turn it. Then add in your fish. If you like, you can leave your fish. If you want to add in your okra, you can add your fish. You know, this fish, if you do not take your time while turning your soup, it will scatter. So after that, we cover and allow it to boil for some minutes again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share to your friends and family. That is the only way to support your gear, or to say that what you watched, that you learned something from it. This is a very perfect way and a delicious way to make your egusi. If you have not tried this combo, just go and buy your egusi and okra with other ingredients and make this recipe, because it always come out so good and it tastes so delicious, guys. Guys, our soup has been boiling for like 8 minutes now. You have to check it. You can see it immediately. You see this oil floating on top. That is for the time for you to know that your soup is ready, guys. Now it's time to add in our veggies. That is our okra. You add in your, I'll be using my ugu, guys. If you are using your uziza or bitter leaf or any vegetable of your choice that you want to use, it all depends on you. So after adding it, you have to turn it, guys. Mix everything together. And to mix everything together, guys. You will not be cooking your okra for more than 5 minutes because you don't want your okra to overcook. So after mixing it, guys, you cover your pot and allow it to boil for 2 minutes, guys. So guys, it's time to shake our soup. You can see what we have here, guys. It come out so good and so delicious, and the smell tastes so awesome, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned to watch this video to the end. Please make sure to try this recipe out. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy watching the video, guys. Give a comment, guys. If you're going to try this recipe, give us a comment. Thank you so much once again. Bye.